we're coming to probably the most exciting part, the thing that's really changed the most for me.
All right, you want to talk about ergonomics that's changed your life for the better and made you like experience true joy every day, a sense of openness,
Yes,
a
it
sense
feels
of
like it. I have the Dygma Defy split keyboard. And as I told Dan in episode 9 of Show Me Your Setup, I had waited so long for it, like months and months and months. I had pre-ordered. And yeah, it opens up your posture. Your hands are a foot and a half apart, I'd say. Your shoulders are opened up a bit. And you have to learn a new way of typing, especially because it has ortholinear keys. The keys are directly above each other and not staggered like a typical QWERTY keyboard. So this is all a learning curve. 16 thumb cluster buttons. So you're doing different functions with your thumbs instead of on other parts of the keyboard.
in layers that you've yet to even delve into.
Correct.
And what I mean there, folks, is literally different layers within the same keyboard. He could program the second layer down to be completely different keys. And there's more than just 2 layers. Kind of an infinite palette upon which to paint? No. Anyways, my analogies are for the birds. But that keyboard is the bomb. Speaking of that keyboard, yes, we did feature it in episode 9 of Show Me Your Setup.